Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best big screen TV cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools for any modern home entertainment setup, ensuring your viewing experience remains crystal clear and immersive without streaks or smudges. In today's world, where large, high-definition displays are the centerpiece of our living rooms, maintaining their pristine condition is paramount, and a specialized cleaner designed for these delicate surfaces is key to preserving their quality and longevity. This product promises to deliver a spotless finish, making every movie night and gaming session more vibrant and enjoyable. Number 5. Care Touch Lens Wipes. Introducing Care Touch Lens Wipes, your go-to solution for crystal clear vision. These wipes are designed for a gentle yet effective clean on all your optical devices. Each wipe is individually wrapped, ensuring maximum freshness and hygiene. This makes them perfect for on-the-go cleaning, wherever your day takes you. Whether it's your eyeglasses, sunglasses, or camera lenses, these wipes are safe and effective. They effortlessly remove smudges and dirt, restoring clarity. With 210 wipes in every pack, you'll have plenty for extended use. Enjoy a convenient and economical way to keep your lenses pristine. Their portable design means you can carry them anywhere. Simply unfold and wipe for instant, streak-free results on your valuable optical devices. What we like. These wipes are individually wrapped for ultimate portability and hygiene. They come pre-moistened, making them incredibly convenient for quick cleanups on the go. If you're always on the move and need a fast, mess-free way to clean your glasses or camera lenses, these are a perfect fit. What people say. They are packaged well, so I haven't had problems with them drying out. Generally, there's enough cleaning fluid to clean my glasses or phone screen thoroughly but not too much to keep them from drying quickly. These are moist, but not too wet. They do an amazing job getting dust and streaks out of your eyeglasses. Number 4. Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit. Introducing the Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit. Achieve spotless lenses with our powerful yet gentle formula. This kit includes 2 bottles of our alcohol-free cleaner and 2 microfiber cloths. It's perfect for your eyeglasses, screens, and camera lenses. Experience a streak-free shine that enhances your vision. Our cleaner is designed to remove smudges and fingerprints with ease. You can trust this cleaner for all your delicate surfaces. It's safe for eyeglasses, phone screens, and camera optics. Crafted with care in the USA, this 4-piece set provides exceptional cleaning power. Keep your vision sharp and your devices pristine. What we like. This kit offers an alcohol-free solution, ensuring it's gentle on all your screens and lenses. It comes with not 1, but 2 microfiber cloths for effective cleaning. If you prioritize a safe, non-toxic cleaning experience for your eyeglasses, phone screens, or camera lenses and prefer products made domestically, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It cleans my big screen TV perfectly without leaving any streaks. The spray bottle is easy to use and the microfiber cloth is very soft, preventing scratches. It effectively removes dust and fingerprints, leaving the screen crystal clear. Number 3. Altura Photo Screen Cleaner Spray and Wipe Kit. Keep your screens looking their best with our advanced cleaning solution. It's designed to be tough on smudges but gentle on your delicate displays. This cleaner is safe for all types of screens, including LCD, LED, OLED, and touch screens. It effectively cleans laptops, monitors, TVs, and even car displays without causing damage. Using it is simple, just spray the solution onto the microfiber cloth and wipe your screen. Achieve a spotless shine with minimal effort. Our cleaning solution is completely free of alcohol and ammonia, ensuring it's safe for your electronics. You won't find any harsh chemicals here. The kit comes with 2 high-quality microfiber cloths. They are perfect for achieving a streak-free finish and are reusable for long-term use. Its compact size makes it ideal for cleaning your devices wherever you are. Maintain a clear view on the go with this convenient kit. What we like. This cleaner is designed to be streak-free and scratch-free, ensuring a pristine finish on all your electronic displays. It's safe for a wide variety of screen types, including LCD, LED, and OLED. If you're looking for a comprehensive cleaning kit for your laptop, computer, or smart TV that includes a generously sized microfiber cloth for thorough wiping, this is the one for you. What people say. Cleaned my TV, iPhone and iPad great. Left no streaks and it came with 2 cleaning clothes, one small and one big, for TVs. Effortless clean for tough fingerprints. Doesn't even compare to traditional window cleaner. Great product, clean up all the fingerprint marks on my TV and other devices. Number 2. Hope's Perfect Glass Cleaner Spray Refill. Introducing Hope's Perfect Glass Cleaner Spray Refill. Achieve a streak-free shine on all your glass surfaces, both indoors and out. Our powerful formula is ammonia-free, making it safe for a variety of surfaces. Enjoy a brilliant clean without harsh chemicals. Perfect for windows, mirrors, screens, and even shower doors. This cleaner tackles dirt and grime effortlessly, leaving nothing but clarity. This 67.6-ounce refill pack ensures you always have this essential cleaner on hand. Simply refill your existing spray bottle and continue enjoying spotless glass. Whether you're cleaning your car's windows or your home's mirrors, it delivers exceptional results. Experience the difference of a truly clean surface. What we like. This is a massive refill bottle, offering exceptional value and reducing the need for frequent repurchases. Its ammonia-free formula is safe for various glass surfaces, including windows, mirrors, and screens. If you have a lot of glass surfaces to clean, including your car's tinted windows or shower doors, and want an economical, safe, and effective cleaner, this large refill is ideal. What people say. If you want sparkly clean, streak-free windows, use Hope's Perfect Glass Cleaner. It's the only glass cleaner that I've ever used that actually gets windows and mirrors clean without streaking. This is the best product for cleaning glass. This makes it possible for me to keep them clean and enjoy the view. Number 1. Samsung 32-inch 720p Smart LED TV Bundle. Introducing the Samsung 32-inch 720p Smart LED TV. Experience a world of entertainment with its smart capabilities and vibrant display. Enjoy a fluid browsing experience and faster control. Switching between apps, streaming content, and other media is effortless with this TV. This bundle includes a slim flat wall mount kit, perfect for TVs ranging from 19 to 45 inches. Easily set up your display anywhere you desire. Keep your new TV safe with the included Surge Pro 6-outlet surge adapter. It offers 750 joules of protection and features a convenient night light. Maintain the pristine condition of your screen with the universal LED TV screen cleaner. Keep your viewing experience sharp and clear. Purchase with confidence knowing this bundle is Samsung USA authorized and includes the full Samsung USA warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This isn't just a cleaner, it's a complete entertainment bundle that includes a smart TV, a wall mount, and a surge protector. The included cleaner is specifically designed for LED TVs. If you're looking to set up a new TV system from scratch and want all the essential accessories, including a cleaner, in one convenient package, this bundle is a fantastic starting point. What people say. Great quality picture and easy to install the wall mount. TV is fine, mount light but adequate, a plug is a plug, and the cleaner generic. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.